Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if temporary files are not deleting on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type percentage local app data, percentage again, opens up a file folder, click on open it. You just need to search for temp folder, double click on it and click on any folder over here and press in keyboard Ctrl plus A to select all of these files, and now you just need to right click on it and select delete it. Select do this for all current items and select continue. After done, you just need to go to local disk C. If any files are not be deleted, that's totally fine. After opening local disk C, you just need to open Windows folder and you just need to search for software distribution folder, double click on it, and now you just need to double click on the download folder. In here you just need to click on any folders over here and press in keyboard Ctrl plus A to select all of these files. These files are Windows Update cache files. You can delete it without having any problems. And if you want to set Windows to automatically delete temporary files after a certain time interval, you can select that. So just to go forward, it will clear them out. In order to do that, you just need to right click on the start icon and select settings. On right side, you just need to scroll down and select storage. In here, you just need to select storage sense. Under the configure cleanup schedules, run storage sense, click on this drop down and you can select every day cleanup or every week or every month. Select it by your preferences, and that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.